crushed wheat in a water like not last night. In your paper, you're gonna see it for 10 minutes, like for presoak. But if you could put it before, if you could add it, it's gonna be more tasty. Like
very healthy.
Yeah, and it's healthy.
The broth.
Yes.
So we're adding
Beef.
beef. So what we have here are wheat berries that have soaked overnight. They were soaked in hot water, and then we added about a cup of a congealed bone broth soup, some kind of broth that's heavily congealed.
Put the yogurt first. Yeah. She put the yogurt first, and then
Adding flour to the yogurt.
2 tablespoons. But 2 heaping tablespoons.
Ama ben 3 koyacağım çünkü bizim fazla.
She said she's gonna put 3 tablespoons.
We're adding an egg.
Tamam.
An egg, and then we're gonna mix them.
Bu bekleyecek. O kaynadıktan sonra onun suyundan biraz buna katıp bunu ılıtıp yavaş yavaş dökeceğim.
For your yogurt. So back to the soup. We are putting a little bit of the hot soup with the wheat berries into the yogurt mixture with the eggs because you don't want curdled scrambled eggs. So you need to temper it. Very important step. When the yogurt has been tempered, you're going to gradually pour it into the hot broth with the wheat berries. And now we're adding a can of drained chickpeas to the yogurt soup. It's important to continuously stir your yogurt soup. You're going to keep stirring it and cooking it until it comes to a gentle rolling boil, and then it's done, which would be about 10 minutes. But keep stirring so it doesn't curdle. This is the sauce that will top the yogurt soup. It's melted butter and dried mint. It gets poured into the hot soup, and you can see it bubbles, and it infuses it with an enormous amount of flavor.